everyone, this is X-Pro Gamer Games X here, and I will be playing Will You Press the Button? .com. Okay. First question. You will never have to go to the toilet ever again, but toilets are made extremely comfortable and they have the soft quilted toilet paper. I will not click the button. Holy crap. Okay then. I actually like that one. You can have 5 free pets of your choice. You lose any pets you... No, I love Fluffy too much. Good. Your most perfect lover you can ever imagine falls in love with you, but he or she lives in a place that you cannot get to, so you can only message each other for 2 years before you both can meet. What's the most perfect person? I could wait 2 years. Yeah, okay. You can make anyone you want give you all the money at any time, but they can pick one thing you have to do to earn it, and you must do it. No, because I'm afraid they might commit suicide. What? Did they ever think about it? They could tell you to put your head in a toilet full of diarrhea. That's just good. You can control the mind of anyone you want, but you can only use this powerful once an hour a day. And once they come free of your control, they remember everything and hate you for it. No. Okay then. Bad. You will be immune to any and every disease. You will not be able to bend any of the joints in your body. Just look at this. 20 people said they... Like, it wouldn't even be worth to live. You would be sitting still. Idiots. You get warped 1,000 years into the future with the storage anime device of your choice. There is no backward compatibility since Apple made the codecs a dominant use. Nobody stored anime from 1,000 years ago. I don't get this. You get warped 1,000 years into the future with the storage device of your choice. There is no backward compatibility since Apple made the codecs a dominant use. Nobody stored anime from... I don't think so. Yeah, okay, I didn't even get that, so bad. You get a random present of $1 million. But alcohol and all kinds of drugs, including cigarettes, lose their effect on your body. Alcohol and all kinds of drugs lose their effect. Duh. Not even like I'm gonna do it, but yeah, good. You get to live in the Pokemon universe, but Pokemon die rather than faint. I will not do that. Idiots. What if you had a level 100 Charmander boy, and that Pokemon dies? Imagine how hard you work to level that up. That is a good question, but idiot people. You make one person fall in love with you, but you switch bodies with your new lover forever. No. I like being a guy. You make one person... yeah, good. Life 3 comes out. But you're not. I don't even know what Half-Life is. We're not? I don't even know that game. Anyone you met will be instantly attracted to you, but rapists aren't. No. Idiots. You will receive $5 million every year until the day you die, but you need to spend 10 years in prison before you receive your first. I will not do that. I don't like prison. Okay, I'm back. My brother asked me a question. You have the ability to create things with your mind that last while you're conscious, but you black out every time the thing you create brings happiness. I wanted to create a puppy, but you know. You can have the car of your dreams, but you can only drive 25 miles a day. I will not do that. And 50. I want the car I can drive for any period of the day. You can read minds, but you are a ghost and can't interact with anything in the. No, I will not do that. But I hate this. Be able to do anything you want, but have to be evil and. Oh yeah, no, just kidding. Be able to. Oh yeah. You got $1 million, but you can only pay for things online. Keep in mind there are quite a few things that can't be paid for online. Yeah, and one of them being my. No, you can buy food. Can you? Yeah, you can order drinks with the food. I can't. I'm trying to. You can't order it. No, you can order a house. Huh? Yeah, I'm one of the smart people. You can live inside any video game that you want for as long as you want. You can also exit and leave the game, but can't go inside a different game. If you die in the video game or meet the requirements for a lose/defeat, you would die in both real life and. That was just my brother. Okay. You get to rule the world. Hold on, Buzz. Okay. You get to rule the world, but you have to pay every country's debts for it. I will not do that. Too much money. Good. You are married to the love of your life. You both are happy, and neither of you ever cheat. But you can't have any children of your own. This includes adoption. No. They have a bad period, though. So if you can't hear me because, well, I'm kind of lonely, you can find anything you want on the internet, any kind of free software, best office, etc. by thinking of it instead of using a mouse. Oh, crap. Did not mean to click that. Here we go. You can, oh yeah, you're always aware that you're monitored by someone you don't know. Yeah, because I don't like this right here. And this I like. So yeah. Yeah, I thought so. I thought I was making the right decision. Yeah. You have the ability to enter any game world at any time, but if you die, I would just go inside of like, I'm trying to think of something. I would just go inside of this game because you can't die, but I wouldn't do that. 60 people. You would legalize gay marriage, but you would become a homophobe. I would not legalize gay marriage.